Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and preparing your space. You need a headset that supports YouTube VR, like Quest, Daydream Alternatives, or Google Cardboard with a phone. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and ensure the headset is charged. Streaming requires steady bandwidth, so 5 GHz is preferable. Make sure you've installed the latest YouTube app and signed into your account. Now put on the headset, open the YouTube app, and move to the VR or headset icon to enter immersive mode. Next, you locate VR content and set playback correctly. Use search terms like 360, VR 180, or 3D 360 to surface immersive videos. You can also follow creators known for VR uploads. Once you pick a video, check resolution settings and choose 4K when your connection supports it, because higher resolution preserves image clarity in VR. Then engage the VR viewing toggle or tap the headset icon. If available, switch stereo. Finally, you optimize comfort and know how to fix common problems. Adjust interpupillary distance and lens spacing to sharpen focus, and set volume to immersive but safe levels. If playback stutters, reduce resolution, disable background downloads, or close other apps. Clearing the app cache can help persistent slowdowns. If audio is out of sync or the orientation drifts, restart the YouTube app and recalibrate your headset sensors. If everything still fails, temporarily switch to a different Wi-Fi band or tether to your phone to isolate network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.